In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Outlook error code 401. If you've been facing this frustrating issue that prevents you from accessing your email smoothly, you're in the right place. We'll go through a straightforward process that can help resolve these login troubles. So, grab a comfortable seat and let's get started. First things first, we're going to close Outlook. It's important to ensure that the application is fully closed before making the necessary changes. You might want to double check by looking at the taskbar or the system tray to confirm that Outlook isn't running in the background. With Outlook successfully shut down, we can proceed to the next step. Now let's navigate to the control panel on your computer. You can usually find it by searching in the Start menu. Once you're in the control panel, look for an option called Credential Manager. This is the place where Windows stores your login information for various services. It's a useful feature, but sometimes stored credentials can cause issues, like the error 401 we're tackling today. Inside the Credential Manager, you'll see two tabs, Web Credentials and Windows Credentials. Make sure you click on the Windows Credentials tab. This section is specifically responsible for managing desktop applications like Outlook. Here, you'll need to locate any credentials related to Outlook, Microsoft, or Office. This can include entries that mention Outlook, Office, or simply Microsoft-related services. What we want to do here is remove these credentials. To do this, simply click on the credential entries and select the option that allows you to remove or delete them. Don't worry, removing these won't delete your accounts. It merely clears the cached login information. With that step complete, we can move on to restarting Outlook. Go ahead and open the application as you normally would. You might notice that Outlook prompts you to sign in again. This is expected and is actually what we want to see at this stage. Enter your login credentials as prompted. Because we previously cleared out the old, possibly corrupted credentials, entering your information afresh gives Outlook a clean slate to work with. By following these steps, you should find that many of those pesky 401 login errors are resolved. This process clears out corrupted or outdated credentials that might have been causing conflicts during the sign-in process. If the error persists, you could consider contacting Microsoft support for more in-depth assistance. However, for most users, this should be the key to regaining smooth access to your Outlook without interruption. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now able to log into Outlook without any hitches. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides.